Good afternoon. Welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hoppet, South Birmingham. Beautiful Mini Cooper S, Countryman, automatic, ALL4, Cooper S, 1.6 diesel Countryman, crystal silver, big spec car, 84,000 miles, 6995. Recent service, just had the cam chain replaced as well, chains and tensioners. Great looking car this. So as you can see, panoramic sunroof, sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth, rear park sensors, 18-inch turbo alloys, half leather heated sports seats, BI-XENON headlamps, bonnet stripes. Great thing. Automatic 1.6 diesel Cooper S, fitted Mini Cooper S mats, lovely half leather seats, twin panoramic roofs, multifunction steering wheel, satellite navigation, heated seats, electronic climate control, nice cold air conditioning, sport button, rubber mats are in the back that match, super clean inside, crystal silver metallic. I'll show you in the boot. Load cover is there, boot liner is there, all as it should be. Very nice, super clean car this. Privacy glass, black roof, bonnet stripes, recent tyres. Do like the alloy wheels in anthracite, they look good against the silver car. Very clean, £6,995, 2 keys, recently been serviced, got cruise control, 84,000 miles.
And just a bit more careful.
No wear on the driver's seat, drives lovely. Very nice example of that, great spec. Right, please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, that's our website. You can see our other cars in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243, then you would get a notification every time we have a fresh car come into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.